Hey guys, how you doing? Dewan Harden here, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be about top 5 work from home businesses in 2019. If you're not familiar with my channel, I talk about learning how to work from home, creating a lifestyle of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So today's video, starting with topic number 1, is going to be a social media agency. And if you're not familiar with what that is, social media agency is basically you are going out to your local clientele out here, whether they be mom and pop businesses or any other businesses out here in the area, and basically creating more clients for them to increase their business. So you're just basically promoting for them and advertising for them, whether you're doing that on Facebook or you're doing it on YouTube. You're creating ads for all these businesses, going up to a doctor's office or a dentist's office in the area and just basically giving them more value, giving them more customers that they didn't already have to their business. So that's number 1. Number 2 is going to be selling courses. With selling courses, if you're doing a bunch of videos like I am on YouTube and they're all significant with each other, you're creating an entire course out of all those videos and you market your videos that way. You can sell those over the course of the year, how long it takes you to make these videos. Then you can, of course, like I said, put them all together and create a product to sell to someone. Moving on with that into number 3, which goes hand in hand with number 2, is you can take all of those videos and you can go into more depth with that, and you can do what is selling a membership. So basically you're inviting clientele into your website, and on a monthly, you're getting a monthly reoccurring charge to your customers, and you're selling them, your product, whether you're in the niche product for affiliate marketing or any other business. But if you're doing, i.e., if you're doing fitness, that's what your niche is about. You're doing fitness, you can, do videos on different things with fitness and concern, and you can do a membership with those as well. Fourth thing, is going to be what I do, of course, is affiliate marketing, and which I honestly would say would be the number 1 thing for out of all top 5 is affiliate marketing. You never have to worry about selling your own product. You can sell everyone else's product and create a commission off of that, and that's something that you can build up and definitely get you to where you want to be at in life. And your 5th thing is going to be building a personal brand. Going back into where I was talking about with memberships and everything like that, if you're in the fitness niche, you're building a brand on fitness, or you're building a brand on you sell cameras or anything like that, that's what you're branding yourself for, that particular product, and you selling your brand on that. So that's what I'm going to say with all 5 of those topics right there. You definitely want to really focus on the marketing aspect. So you really want to learn marketing, study. There's tons and tons of videos, including my own channel as well, that are out here on YouTube that you can really get into depth with marketing. There's so much things that you probably don't even know and haven't even tapped into yet. So definitely get your study on with that. There's tons of courses out here on Udemy and things like that will provide you with a lot more in-depth marketing abilities and stuff like that. So a lot of courses out there that you can learn. So if that brings any value to you, please like my video, subscribe, and I'll continue on pumping out more videos for you guys. And I'll also leave a link in the description, as always, for my number 1 top affiliate program that I'm in right now. And if you have any further questions, please leave me a comment, and I'll definitely hit you guys back. Take care, have a good one, and figure out what you're going to do for 2019 and go out there and crush it. All right, take care.